Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Google Earth on your phone, grant camera and location access, and switch to Live View. Start by holding the device upright and sweeping the horizon so the app can match visual features to the map. Once the app locks your position, virtual overlays appear. This is how the system aligns map data with real-world imagery. Make sure you're outdoors with a clear sky and minimal obstructions to improve GPS accuracy and faster alignment. Once Live View displays arrows and labels, follow them to orient the map precisely. These cues correct heading and position errors. If overlays seem off, slowly rotate and tilt your phone while pinching to zoom. This helps the app recalibrate matching points. Enable relevant layers like roads or terrain to add context, and tap locations to drop markers. This combination of visual alignment and layer selection gives you an accurate, interactive navigation experience. To finish, drop pins on important spots, save the view, or share the location directly from the app so you can return later. Make sure to verify routes using measurement tools and street labels before you move, because visual overlays supplement but don't replace situational awareness. If overlays drift or fail, first toggle camera/location permissions, restart the app, or step a few meters and let Live View reacquire features. This simple recalibration fixes most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.